Hello, we are back again with another Yaelokre tutorial. This one, again, will require a capo, but not actually require, it's just the most recorded version. And that is going to go on your 5th fret or your 2nd dotted string. Yeah. And the first chord is going to be A minor, which is going to be your index finger on the 1st string of the B string, right there. Not this one, right here. Then your ring finger is going to go on the 3rd fret of the G string, or the string right above that. Then your middle finger is going to go on the D string and share the fret of the 2nd. So that should give you this. Then we are going to move on to an E minor. So do the same thing you just did, but remove your ring and index finger, take your index finger and put it on the A string of the 2nd fret. Next one up is a G or a G6. I'll show you both. First off, a G, you're going to keep your index finger on that 2nd fret, but then move your middle finger to the 3rd string, or 3rd fret, sorry, of the E string, the low E string. Then your ring finger is going to come onto the 3rd fret of the E string as well. So you're going to move this one up 1 string and up 1 fret, and then take your ring finger and basically just until you're at the very last string. So now a G6 is the exact same thing, except for you don't put your finger on the bottom. So it will sound like. Then you're going to do an E major, which is just an A minor, but you take every single finger, starting with your middle. You're going to move your middle up 1, then your ring finger up 1, then your index finger up 1. So A minor to E minor to G major or G7 to E major. Yeah. So again, I will be posting more tutorials on this, on Yaelokre, and doing sing-alongs like I just did. Anyways, check out my other videos, and with that, see ya.